Displacement shelters of Gaza, thousands lives in harsh conditions under tents that offer no protection from heat or cold, suffering from hunger and lack of basic necessities. Amid the pain, Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, in partnership with Aghosh Khidmat USA, preparing and cooking hot meals for our displaced families trying to ease their suffering. Welcome again. We have just arrived at Bilal shelter in the south area in Gaza Strip in order to be distributing hot meals to our brothers and sisters. The hot meal was more than just a food. It was a major message that Gaza is not alone. We thank Khidmat Foundation Pakistan in partnership with Aghosh Khidmat USA for their support. May Allah execute the nations.
أشكر خدمة باكستان على هذه الوجبة وبارك الله فيكم.
أشكر خدمة باكستان على توزيع الوجبات علينا، بارك الله فيكم.